Every time your name appears, I'm caught inside this silent storm, a feeling I don't wanna fight, but can't ignore anymore. I see your name light up my feet, and suddenly it's all I need. A little heart, a subtle sign, and I pretend that you are mine. You smile behind a glowing screen, but what you are and what you see, they pull me in, they blur the line between what's yours and what is mine.